Okay, here's some help with tonight's homework, Unit 1, Lesson 5, Independent Practice. If you look at the top of page 1 of your homework, you'll see there's the flow chart that we went over in class, showing you the order of operations, and there's also an example with a pretty detailed expression that they go through step by step to remind you of the order of operations. But we'll look at order of operations in these problems also. Pretty much every problem on the homework is like what we did in class, with the exception of problems 9, 10, and 11. So I'm going to do problems 9 and 10 right now for you. It says insert parentheses. I think they misspelled parentheses. I'm pretty sure that's an E, to make each sentence true. Remember, we're going to do order of operations in this order. First is parentheses, the P in PEMDAS. I look at my expression for 9 and I don't see any parentheses, so moving on. We look for exponents. I don't see any exponents. Then we go to multiplication and division. Remember, I say it multiplication and division together because they're on the same level and I'm circling them together. If we had multiplication and division in an expression, we would do them in order from left to right. So I do have division in this expression, so let's do that first. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Rewrite the rest of my expression. 4 minus, now I'm on to addition and subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 0 does not equal 8. So they want us to change the expression by adding parentheses to make the statement true, so let's rewrite it again. 32 divided by 8 minus 4 equals 8. Well, doing division first gave us an answer of 0, which doesn't equal 8, so let's do subtraction first. The only way I can do subtraction first is by putting the subtraction in parentheses. And then now we've got that parentheses, so we're going to do that first. Circling that, 8 minus 4 is 4. Rewrite the rest of the equation. 32 divided by 4 equals 8, and that's true. 32 divided by 4 does equal 8. Number 10 is the same thing. Let's see what we get if we just did it without the parentheses. I don't have any parentheses. I don't have any exponents, but I do have multiplication and division in this one. So going left to right, the first operation I see of multiplication and division is this multiplication problem. So 8 times 3 is 24. Rewrite the rest of my equation. Now let's do the division. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Rewrite the rest of my equation. And 32 plus 6 is 38, which does not equal 30. So let's see. I think we're going to want to do that addition first. Let's rewrite the equation and try that. The only way I can do the addition first is by putting it in parentheses. 32 plus 8 times 3 divided by 4 equals 30. Let's try this. We're kind of using a guess and check method. We're going to try that and see if it works. Now I can do this first because it's in parentheses. 32 plus 8 is 40. Rewrite the rest of my equation. Multiplication and division from left to right. There's the first one, 120 divided by 4. And 120 divided by 4 does equal 30. So this equation works with the parentheses here, and this equation works on number 9 with the parentheses here. So those would be my answers, showing the equation with the parentheses. And I'm going to leave number 11 for you to do yourself. And hopefully hope that helps with tonight's homework. I'll see you tomorrow morning.